In this video, I'll be going over my December 2023 income report for Amazon KDP. I'll be going over any ad spend, orders, royalties, top 10 books, and more. So let's start with the ads. This is my current lifetime ad data for Amazon KDP. I actually did not run any ads in December. I haven't run ads since September. Actually, I did not run any in September either, since August 2023. I do plan to run ads again at some point. I just really don't have the time or money to run them right now. So my total ad spend since I started in December 2021 is $98.98. My two most recent campaigns have a cost of 15.97% and 10.92%. So I didn't stop them because they weren't profitable. I stopped them just simply because I don't have the time or extra money right now to really devote to ads. So let's move over to my orders for December. I have a total of 269 books right now in my dashboard. This is for December 1st through 31st, 2023, and 172 units ordered. So I'm pretty happy about this because there are actually a few days I did not make any. So for example, the 23rd, 24th, and 25th, I actually did not have any sales, although that made sense because of the holidays, and that's Christmas Eve and Christmas. And I'm not sure when shipping actually was going out because I also did not make any on December 31st, but that was New Year's Eve. So I'm not really sure if that's why. Usually orders don't show up in the dashboard until they've shipped out, so that may be why I did not make any sales that day. Just a possibility I'm thinking of. I'm not entirely sure though. So for the rest of the month, it was up and down pretty drastically. It looks like my highest day was December 20th with 12 units ordered, but then I had lower days where I had 3 units ordered. Looks like 3 was my lowest aside from 0 on those 4 days, and then 12 was my highest, but it did vary quite a bit. And if I do compare books, so my top 10 made up 147 of those units ordered. So majority of these sales are all from my top 10 books for December. And my number one units ordered book is a coupon book for December 2023. And then in fourth, I think, is a sketchbook. And then the rest are all scrapbook paper. So those are majority of my sales. The coupon book tends to do really well in December, I think, because people might buy that for Christmas gifts. And then the sketchbook, I think, also does a lot better due to Christmas gifts as well. Because normally I don't sell many more than a few copies or a handful of copies a month. And this month I sold significantly more than that. So before I head over to my royalties, I do want to thank the sponsor of this video, which is 100 Covers. So if you're looking for a company to complete a cover for you, then I highly recommend checking them out. They have an entire page here full of loads of information about their business, what they do, their portfolio. Just looking at a few of these pictures they have here, here are some of their best sellers, and they have many, many more than what's listed here. So if you're interested at all, I highly recommend reaching out to them. They have an ebook pack, a print pack, and a plus pack, and then it goes over how their service actually works. And down here are their pricing. So you have $100 for the ebook pack, $200 for the print pack, and $400 for the plus pack. And then it goes over what's involved in each pack. And if you select buy now, I'll actually give you a discount code. So if you want to try them, but you're hoping to spend a little bit less money, then if you use the code Taylor, capital, lowercase, however you'd like to, it will take off, I believe, 30%. So this $200 goes to $140. So if you're struggling to figure out how to do your cover, you're looking for extra help, or you just really are trying to outsource and you're not sure where to go, then I highly recommend checking 100 Covers out. They have this whole FAQ section as well. You can check out their link in the description below, and my discount code is Taylor. So moving over to my royalties, I made $377.18, and I'm overall very happy with this. So my highest day looks like $25 on the 20th, or about $25. The next one is the 13th, is pretty close behind there, and I'm actually curious. So the 13th I had maybe 10 orders. It looks like 10 or 11, so pretty close. Not all my books are priced the same, and I don't make the same royalties everywhere. Also depends which country as well. So that could be why that's different. And then it looks like my lowest days were around $7, aside from the days that I got 0. And my top 10 is very similar. So I have the coupon book, I believe is number 1, and then the sketchbook, I think, is still number 4, and then the scrapbook papers are the rest. The top 10 may have moved around a little bit depending on which one's sold, but majority of my sales are all from the scrapbook and craft paper pad, aside from the one coupon book and the one sketchbook for December. If I do compare books, my top 10 made up $314.45, so definitely majority of the income. And I sold a total of 25 different books for the month. So if I divide that by the 269, that's about 9.293% of my books sold. So almost 10% if I round up. I think it's a little bit lower than normal. I think I normally have more different books that sell, but that's okay. For not really running ads and having this be mostly organic sales, I'm very happy with this. And also being passive income, because I did not run ads and I also have not created a book, I don't think, until or since August. And my only cost that I have each month is going to be Canva right now, I believe. So my profit is going to be around $362 or something like that. And I'm overall very, very happy with that. And some other things that have helped me with my KDP journey so far, I'm still learning, of course. I don't claim to be an expert or anything like that. This might not be a significant amount of money to some people, but to me, this pays more than my car payment, and this helps a lot with my bills. And things that have really helped me are actually some courses and YouTube. So I've learned a lot from YouTube, but also courses are very helpful. I bought the Passive Income Accelerator course in 2022. That was very, very helpful. And I'm not sure if that's still for sale anymore. And then I bought Rachel Harrison's son's Low Contents Profits Academy in January, I believe, February 2023. And that was also very helpful. I actually created the sketchbook that is in my top 5 for December from that course, following all of her guidelines and doing the best I can with that. And so I'm very excited about that. So her course has also been extremely helpful. And I mean, I just needed the extra guidance. I did start out and doing YouTube videos and learning that way, and I did learn a lot, but I didn't really start making money until I bought the first Passive Income Accelerator program, and then buying the Low Content Profits Academy course really helped me as well. So I'm not saying you have to buy courses to be successful, but for me personally, I just needed that extra guidance, that extra step, and it was truly, truly helpful. And if you're looking for a free checklist when you publish your book, I have one on my website that is in the link in the description. I'm not sure if it's required to sign up to emails to get it or not. You can opt out at any time. So if you just want to get the freebie, then you can opt out of emails immediately, I'm pretty sure. So go ahead and check that out. And I really hope this was helpful. I hope it was inspiring. I don't share these to brag or anything like that. I share these to hopefully inspire others, because income reports inspire me. So thank you so much for watching and listening to this video, and I hope that you have a great day.